So you've gone straight from the thick to the thin one.
Straight, yes, from the number 1 to number 5.
Okay.
I throw these away.
Of course not.
No. I'll probably need to use them
To patch up the edges.
Yeah. If they're too thin, then I'll go 4.
So to get that width.
So that it's the same.
You don't need to add any water or anything, it just sticks on
No,
its
the
own.
butter will
Of
become
course.
our glue.
Yep.
And yeah, you just do it where all the seams are, because it will hold it together.
So not all over, or just...
I do it
as
all
well.
over too, but I just concentrate quite a lot on the seams,
Yep.
just to make sure that they're, stuck.
Yep. It's important that this is cold too.
Oh yeah. Otherwise it'll
Dissolve.
pastry will go.
All soggy. And you've seasoned this, or you might not.
No, because the feta is salty.
Okay. And what feta do you use?
When you go to the Greek deli, they've got what they call trimata, which is leftover cut up bits from the other feta. So it could be Danish, it could be the Greek,
okay.
it could be goats, and it's cheaper. So instead of paying $20 a kilo, you're paying $9 or $10 a kilo.
Okay.
So
Okay, so you're spreading, but not right to the edges.
oh, I am, and yes and no, but it doesn't really matter because when you roll it, and again, some people put a lot less filling than what I do. It's a personal choice. I quite like mine to have it. I'd rather eat the filling rather than just pastry. My mum likes the pastry, so she does hers thicker.
As in thicker sheets of pastry.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, and you're still rolling.
Yep. And you're pulling and stretching. So you roll one way,
Yeah.
on the other half, and the other side, the other way.
So it keeps twisting it.
Yeah.
Those ones coming out of the packet are looking really good right now. you've made enough for about 6 of these then, Nikki.
Yeah, I usually do about 10 of them.
Well, you would, wouldn't you, really?
Yeah, I mean, the trouble you go into.
Yeah.
So then we do another one,
Yeah.
and we just add it onto that.
Sure. Okay. So brush generously with melted butter. Oh my god, that looks strong.
That's it. Bake it.
So
Heat it
bake at
180.
yep.
It takes probably a good 45 minutes.
So it's got a golden brown or something,
Yeah.
I suppose. Yeah.
Nice and crunchy. And I just glade wrap it and put it in the freezer if you're going to freeze it.
Okay, so you don't take it out of a tin, you leave it in the tin.
No, in the tin.